Kak isaya, kak tegel ya, apa salahku neng diluputku wong sing rasa piro.
Oh my God.
Kaya aku iki
I don't know, have you ever tried to download an Android application urgently, only to find that it wasn't available in your country or region when you try to download it? If your answer is yes, then you are not alone in this. You are not alone at all. Honestly, I have been faced with such problems many times. On numerous occasions, honestly, I have been faced with such problems, and believe me, it can be so devastating. It can be so demoralizing and so frustrating. You know, it can be so disappointing. Especially when you desperately needed to download one and you just, boom, all of a sudden, you saw a message that the application or the item you are trying to download is not available in your country. It has happened to me many times, and I started to dig deep, you know, to find a way of solving such problems. You see, so, and that is why I've decided to make this video to help the people who are also facing the same problems. You see, so in this video I will show you step by step how you can be able to download any Android application that is not available in your country. And believe me, it is not difficult at all. It's not difficult. The process is extremely seamless. It's not difficult at all. Okay? But before we go into that, I want to kindly request that you subscribe to my channel. That is, if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I welcome you. Thank you for stopping by. And do well to like and share with your friends, so that they too can also find a way of solving these problems. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let us go into the video and see how we can be able to solve this problem. Okay, let's dive in. Yeah, so for the purpose of this video, we are going to try to download an application called SendWave. Okay, an Android application called SendWave. Alright, let's go to Google and search for SendWave. Okay, let's type SendWave. Yeah, let's click on the first link. That is the application. Okay, now let's click on Google Play to take us to Google Play Store, where we can download the SendWave. Wow, you see, it says this item is not available in your country. That is, it is not available in the country where I am right now. So that means I cannot be able to download it. You see, and I really need this app right now. I need it. So how do I get it? We'll find out soon. Let's go back and try to figure out how we can solve this problem. Okay, now what we are going to do is that we are going to add APK in front of this SendWave. So any application you want to download and you're not able to download it, when you come to Google, type the name of that application, then give space, then type APK in front of it, and then you search it again. You see, so let's do that. And please note that APK file is the file format for applications used on the Android operating system. Okay, so let's type APK in front of SendWave and search. Yes. Now we have several links that will take us to where we can download the APK file format of this SendWave. Okay, so let's click on the first one and see what happens. Yeah, here we are. Then let's click on this latest version of the SendWave. Okay, then click on download. Let's wait for it. Now you see the message that says file might be harmful. Do you want to download SendWave 5-0-0 APK anywhere? That is trying to say that this file, because it is unknown to this device, so it might be harmful. So do you still want to go ahead to download it? So you click download anywhere. Okay, click download anywhere. Yeah, as you can see, it's downloading. Okay, and let's check the speed of it. Let's check the progress of it. Look at it here, downloading. Okay, the size of the application is 135.68 megabytes. Oh my god, and it's really slow. Anyway, let's wait for it to download. Okay, then we'll try to install it. Anyway, we'll come back to check if it has finished downloading, then we'll proceed from there. Okay, yeah, as you can see, the application has been downloaded. Okay, so let's try to install it and see what happens. Okay, then let's click on it. Now click on install. Yeah, it has been installed. Okay, it has been installed finally. Then let's click on open. Yeah. Yeah, finally we have the app. We have the application. You see, so here is the application. We have finally downloaded it. Okay, so I believe the icon will be on this in the home screen right now. So let's check if the icon is there. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is it right here. It's here. Okay, so that is how to download any application, any Android application that is not available in your country. Thank you. Ooh, finally. Finally, I believe you saw how I was able to download the SendWave application. Okay, so that is how you too can also go ahead and follow the same step to download any application that you have been trying to download all this while. Okay, you can go ahead and download any application, any Android application, that you have been finding difficult to download. Just follow the same step and you will download it. Okay, you will download it without any stress. Okay, and please, if you know that I've given you value in this video, if you know that you have learned something in this video, please do me this favor. Please kindly subscribe. Subscription is free. It's free. Kindly subscribe. Okay, and share my video with your friends. Okay, so that it will also impact in their lives. Okay, so, and also like and comment. And if there is anything that you want me to make video on, or you want me to cover, you want me to guide you on how to do it, or something that you are finding difficult to do all this while, you see, and you want me to make a video, on how to go about it, please go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Drop it there. I'll be reading your comments, okay? And I'll promise to try my best to make sure I help you out, okay? That is why I'm here. I'll promise to try my best to make sure I help you out, okay? I just want this channel to be interactive, very, very interactive, okay? Let it be interactive. If there is any problem you're facing, feel free to pour it out, okay? Pour it out, okay? Mention it in the comment section below, and I will try my best to fix it, okay? I will try my best to fix it. So, my friends and families from all over the world, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye.